Feeling puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma, let's make a change. Head out of box decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours.
This is Creating the Perfect Cozy Place. It is hosted by Jean Home Decor and more, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, designed with Emma, myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and Donna Decor and more. Come along with me as I show you my cozy place. Today's video is creating the perfect cozy place. And my perfect cozy place is in front of the fireplace. Now, I've already decorated for Christmas, so I'm going to take you in and show you my perfect cozy place, which is sitting by the fireplace. I'll let you take a look at it, then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. I did get started a little early so I could get everything finished, and I got it decorated, and I forgot about my cozy place. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my fireplace. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. I've kept the same print, which I love this print. I guess that you all can tell that. On each side of it, I've put a black reindeer. My colors this year for Christmas will be black and white. So I put the black reindeers on each side of my reindeer picture here. The reindeers were from Tuesday morning before they went out of business. I had picked these up after Christmas. And they do light up. I just do not have them lit at this time. Now, the picture of the reindeer, it came from Hobby Lobby. On each side, I have, of course, the black Christmas trees. They were from Hobby Lobby. I got those at 90% off. And on each side of my trees, I have the stars, which also were from Hobby Lobby. And I got those at 90% off. At the top, I do have a light, a picture light over my picture here. As you come down, you will see the black and white decor. Now, the beautiful black and white balls you see here were from Hobby Lobby. As I told you all, I always shop the 90% off sale. That way I can change my decorations. So when you at the end of the year, around December the 27 or 28, if you rush to Hobby Lobby, you can get this stuff for 75 to 90% off, okay? My white poinsettias I already had. The beautiful ribbon here, I did get that from Walmart, and I got that at 75% off. I do have the black bulbs here, and they came from Hobby Lobby at that 90% off sale. The large white ball here was from Goodwill, and I may have paid 99 cents for it, and it is beautiful. The little shoe slipper was also from Hobby Lobby. Now at the bottom, I've added the picks to each side of my garland. I wanted something different, so what I did is added the picks, but I also have the poinsettias going all the way through. Under the bottom, as you can see, I've just added this gold garland, which is very thin, and under it, I went back with another garland that I have added. Now this garland here did come from Hobby Lobby, and I'm thinking this one here came from Walmart, okay? So really, what I've done here, I've just added the black, white, and gold ornaments together. I tied them together and made clusters because I was gonna use the black, white, and gold as my theme this year. So it's very easy to achieve this fireplace decor for your Christmas holiday, and it's also very budget friendly. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more for inviting me to be a part of your cozy space. I also want to thank all of the creators who are participating today. You all make sure you go over and check out all of their channels. I also want to thank the design family because, as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family, because we would love to have you. If you would, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about my color theme this year of black and white. This is Emma. I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.